So my name is Serena Vitale. I am a lead program facilitator for the Cordon program. And our mission for Divine Path is to empower our students and help them grow and really help them find their strength in order to enter the job force, the workforce, with the skills and their strengths just really capable and tuned up to basically thrive in any work environment they want to end up in. And it's awesome to see the students grow and find their passions and find what they're really good at and what they can see themselves doing for the rest of their life.
Do you have an experience here that you could share with us that gives us a little insight to
I have so
the
many.
transformation of people coming here?
Yeah. So, I mean, even just right off the bat, we have a relatively new student who came in recently, and he came in, he's young, 18, completely unsure of what he wants to do, hasn't really done anything in the workforce yet, and he spent one day in the vines just learning how to prune and learning just the anatomy of the grapes, and he automatically said, you know, this is something I can see myself doing for the rest of my life. I really like this. And he was out in the vineyard just helping every single person that he saw need help, and he just barely met them, but he became friends with them just through that bonding experience of learning about the grapes together and the winemaking process that he felt right at home. And that was really cool to see just in a really short amount of time.
Well, that's amazing. So you kind of helped bring out his passion.
Yeah, pretty
Help him
fast
find
too.
his
He came in, looking for something and found it right away.
Oh, that's amazing.
So,
well, that's great.
great.
Well, thank you, Serena. We're really appreciative of all that you do.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hi, I'm Lanilla Vitale from Divine Path. We have a program here for people with disabilities. We're on a ranch. Come on this way, I'll show you the vineyard. We've got 400 vines that we put in specifically for the program. Each one of our students adopts 2 vines each, and so they learn to care for the vines from the very beginning to harvest. This is their shed that they painted. In fact, we probably have to repaint, but this is all their tools. They take care of it. They all take turns with their chores. This barn here is our resource barn. We have computers in here, so when they're doing job searching or any kind of computer learning, this is where they do it. All right, so we'll go inside. Computers in here, and we have some artwork in here also. We've got lockers for them, so they all have places to put their belongings. Come out this way. This is the bench that was painted by one of our students. He's an international artist, Joel Anderson. And then we have our community gardens they all take care of. So we have a project where we want to grow produce for the food pantry. We're all learning how to garden and produce potatoes and onions, but they all take turns taking care of each bin. We use these raised bins to keep the gophers and squirrels out of our produce because we have a lot of squirrels and a lot of gophers. This is more of our community garden. We have a culinary curriculum where we're going to have a chef come in and teach them kitchen basics for 3 months. And at the end, they'll be doing a farm-to-table presentation for their parents. And probably some of our team members too. Yes, our students' favorite part of the program is Farmers Market. Actually 2 students apiece take turns rotating with one of our teachers and set up at the Fallbrook Farmers Market, and we sell some of our plants, some of our arts and crafts, and other miscellaneous things, but it gives students a chance to mingle with the public, and they get retail experience, and it's not so busy, so it's not overwhelming for them, but they love it. So it's a great experience for everyone,
That's amazing. So they're getting socialization, they're learning entrepreneurship, and they're having a great time doing it.
They really are. They're part of the process, right? We have a lot of hands-on, fun stuff to do outside. Our students have stayed happy and healthy and can't wait to come to the program every morning. Parents tell me that.
This is a beautiful place to come.
Thank you. No, we love it.
Divine Path in action.
Ready? Well, look at the camera. I know. I'm doing both.
Awesome.
And this is our office. This is Jasmine, my executive assistant, who makes it all happen.
Hey Jasmine, how's it going?
Going great. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Robin of Everything Fallbrook, and we're just up here checking out Divine Path. And so, what is it that you love about working for Lanilla up here?
What do I not love about working up here? This is, gosh, it's like a little piece of heaven. It's just a really supportive, loving, uplifting environment. Everybody that works here is pretty much the best group of people I've ever met in my entire life. There's a lot of fun all the time, a lot of growth and progress, and
I mean, it seems like it's just evolving the way,
it's incredible.
especially
I
with
mean,
the
it's just
seasons
been-
and the growing. And
It's been an amazing journey, and it's not even close to ending.
do you have an instance or a memory that of a student that comes here that comes to mind that you could share with me?
Oh wow.
You know, maybe
So
they came here in a certain state, and then when they left, something like that.
I could give you an example of every student, of how much each one of them has grown. Not to mention any names, but of course we have our social challenges and watching people come out of their shell, and they get here and they're very nervous and quiet, and usually within a week or so they shine.
Well, I heard how some of them were like, "Oh, I'm very indoor, I'm very computer," but then she gets them out there in the vineyard, and
It's true. Yeah, a lot of magic happens around here.
oh, that's awesome. Well, thanks for sharing with us, and it's really nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Hello, my name is Jacob. I'm one of the resource counselors here. My experience in Divine Path is teaching other students, kind of just getting, like Jesus said, getting their feet wet in the field, like getting a job, all that kind of stuff, as well as not only getting a job, but learning about different experiences like viticulture and horticulture.
And it seems like you're pretty good with the socialization.
Yeah, and we also teach them like how to be social and kind of just be friendly with everybody, communicate well, and all kinds of stuff.
Well, it's nice when I walked up and I heard you all and they're kind of laughing and being jovial.
Oh yeah, we're
That's
all,
not something that I get when I go to a lot of centers, so this was a very pleasant surprise.
Yeah, we're all basically a family here. So.
Oh, that's awesome. So any advice you have for those of us out there who are thinking of going into a career like this?
Just have a positive attitude. Just come in having a positive attitude, and always come with your, best smile on your face. So.
What's your name?
Tiana,
Tell me what you love about Divine Path.
because I love it.
And if there's one of the projects you do the best, which one is the best one?
I love in painting.
You like to paint, so you're an artist.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. What's your name, handsome?
Chef Morris.
Nice to meet you. So the program here at Divine Path, which one's your favorite?
Watering.
So you do the watering?
Yeah.
And what does that do?
Watering plants.
Yeah, so that helps the plants grow?
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a fine job, Travis. So do you have anything about Divine Path you want to tell me?
No.
Okay, well, thank you. Hi, how's it going? So tell me what you like about Divine Path and what your name is. Oh, that's beautiful. Did you plant that? Yes. Oh, that's awesome. Hi, what's your name?
I'm James Fitzmose. I love the leaf problem. It's cool. Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Well, thanks, James. Hey, is there something else about Divine Path you want to share with me?
It is really great spot for me to run some stuff, what we do here, and it is really lit, and yeah, I love it here.
Oh, well, it's lit, so you know it's good.
Yeah, you got it.
All right. Thanks, Travis.
No, James.
James. Sorry. Oops. We'll edit that. All right. Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Hi. How's it going?
Good. Hi, my name's Luke. I like the Divine Path. It's really helpful to get a job too, maybe. My friends, the teachers, and yeah, I really like it here and stuff.
So I heard you guys are putting together some football space.
Yeah.
So you're going to be playing football?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. So do you have anything else about Divine Path you want to share with me?
The teachers and staff and my friends have really been helpful to me and being kind to me. And yeah,
And being kind is really important, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
How does it make you feel when people are kind?
Like, feels good.
Feels good, like $1 million, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, that's what we want to keep doing, right? We want to be kind to each other.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, thank
Treat
you.
others how you want to be treated.
That's beautiful. Well, thank you so much, Luke. And if there's any advice you wanted to give us, what kind of advice would you give us out here?
Maybe like for us to get an actual job in the future.
So you want to get a job? You're
Yeah.
looking for a job. All right. Well, we will keep our eyes and ears open for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Luke.
You're welcome.
You do.
Hello, my name is Jesus Hernandez. I'm a resource counselor support staff here at Divine Path. I love working with this community. It brings so much joy, not only to my life, but the other people that are here working at Divine Path. And I really like the other staff that work here as well. I think we make a really good team. And yeah, it's a pleasure working here. And
So for students that are just getting out in the world and they're getting their certifications and stuff, what would you tell them that are going into this line of work? What advice would you have for them?
I think they should try and volunteer here to get their feet wet and to see if the other career paths are for them. I think this is a really great opportunity for them to kind of learn the work environment just by working with this community, this population. I think they're going to learn if this is the place they want to be working for many, many years.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much, hon.